Despite is a detour sign here. Fortitude means bravery over a long period. So the blank after, despite all the attempts to, symbolizes the choice that means the action against the bravery for a long period. In this case, choice A does not fit the blank because eschew means avoid, and if he is to be avoided, then no attempts against him is needed. Besides, assuage as choice B means pacify or make less intense, which is irrelevant to make sense with respect to the attempts to interact with him. Escort or bolster, given as choice C and D, mean accompany or support, both of which are eliminated because they are against the prediction and unable to make sense to fit the blank. On the other hand, waylay as choice E means waiting for and then stop someone, which merges the prediction and shows a relevance to fit the blank, where Trump had the bravery over a long period while they waited to stop him. So the correct answer is choice E.